So today we're gonna make pasta in creamy mushroom sauce. Let's do it. Now before you start doing anything else, get your pasta water on the heat. Now when it comes to mushrooms, you wanna go quite diverse, so we got different textures, different flavors. Set a pan on medium-high heat. And after that, chop your onion and garlic as fine as you can. And in this situation, I'm using a quarter of white onion and 2 cloves of garlic. When the pan is hot enough, go in with about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I also have here some fresh thyme, but I'm only gonna use 1 sprig and only the leaves. Thyme, garlic, mushrooms, these are really good friends, so we're gonna get something really amazing if you're gonna combine them together. Now we're gonna cook this until the onion starts becoming translucent. This should take you about 3 to 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna chop my mushrooms 2 different ways. One really fine, so that will almost get absorbed by the sauce, and the other one quite chunky, which will give us the texture of mushroom which we kind of like, or at least I do. Now when your onion starts becoming translucent, I'm gonna go in with the finely chopped mushrooms and just a few slices of chili. At this point, I wanna add in about 10 grams of butter. Okay, the other mushrooms go in. Now we have to cook this for up to 5 minutes. Okay, so it's only at this stage, once the mushrooms start getting a bit of color, they cook slightly, is when we're adding the salt. Because if you're adding salt right from the beginning, then your mushrooms will become watery. The mushrooms will release that water, which they have a lot in, a lot faster. So you wanna add the salt toward the end. A good pinch of salt goes in. Same with the freshly grounded black pepper. Now reduce the heat to low, let the mixture cool down slightly, and we're gonna go in with the cream. I've got here single cream, about 100 to 120 milliliters. That should be more than enough for 1 portion. This is the time when we also adding some grated parmesan, about 10 grams of it. Add in your pasta, making sure that you keep some of this pasta water in case you need to adjust the sauce. Once you added your pasta, make sure that you give it another 2 minutes on low heat, because you want that pasta to absorb some of that sauce. And before serving, I like to add in some chopped dill, but this is totally up to you. Serve it immediately, go in with another bit of grated parmesan. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, I would appreciate if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.